Potatoes are starchy root vegetables that are widely cultivated and consumed around the world. They come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, and they are a staple food in many cuisines due to their versatility and nutritional value. There are thousands of potato varieties, each with its own characteristics. They can be broadly categorized into types such as russet, red, yellow, fingerling, and blue/purple potatoes. Nutritional value and health benefits. Potatoes offer a range of nutritional benefits that can contribute to a healthy diet when consumed in moderation and prepared in a health-conscious manner. Potatoes are a good source of carbohydrates, which provide energy for daily activities and bodily functions. The carbohydrates in potatoes are mainly in the form of starch. Contain dietary fiber, especially in their skins. Fiber aids in digestion, helps maintain bowel regularity, and can contribute to a feeling of fullness, which may assist with weight management. Potatoes are a notable source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system, skin health, and wound healing. Contain vitamin B6, is important for brain development, nervous system function, and metabolism. Vitamin B3, niacin, that contributes to energy metabolism and overall cellular health. Potatoes are naturally low in fat and calories, making them a suitable food for those looking to manage their weight. Potatoes contain various antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are linked to chronic diseases and aging. Culinary uses. Potatoes can be boiled, mashed, fried, baked, roasted, or used in soups and stews. Their starch content makes them suitable for thickening sauces and soups. They can be prepared with various seasonings and toppings to create diverse dishes. Fun fact: did you know that there are thousands of different potato varieties with varying colors, shapes, and sizes? While the most common ones you might find in grocery stores are white, red, or russet potatoes, there are also unique varieties like the purple Peruvian potato, which has a deep purple skin and flesh. And let's not forget the fingerling potatoes, which are small and elongated, resembling fingers, hence the name fingerling. Typical dishes. Potato gnocchi, Italy. These soft dumplings are made from potatoes, flour, and sometimes egg. They are often served with various sauces like marinara, pesto, or brown butter sage. Aloo paratha, India. Aloo paratha is a popular Indian flatbread stuffed with spiced mashed potatoes. It's often enjoyed with yogurt, pickles, or chutneys. Poutine, Canada. A Canadian specialty made with French fries topped with cheese curds and smothered in gravy. It's a deliciously indulgent comfort food. Colcannon, Ireland. A traditional Irish dish made with mashed potatoes, cabbage or kale, and sometimes scallions or leeks. It's often served on holidays like Halloween and St. Patrick's Day. Patatas bravas, Spain. These are crispy fried potato cubes served with a spicy tomato sauce. A popular tapas dish in Spanish cuisine. Kartoffelsalat, Germany. German potato salad made with boiled potatoes, onions, and a vinaigrette dressing. Variations include bacon, herbs, and mustard. Papas a la Huancaina, Peru. A Peruvian dish featuring boiled potatoes served with a creamy, spicy cheese sauce made from ají amarillo peppers. Moussaka, Greece. While eggplant is the star in traditional moussaka, there's a version called potato moussaka, where thinly sliced potatoes are used in layers along with eggplant and a rich tomato-based sauce. Aloo tikki, India. These are spiced potato patties that are shallow fried. They're commonly served as a snack or in chaat, a type of Indian street food. Potato leek soup, France. Known as vichyssoise, this creamy soup is made with potatoes and leeks. It's often served cold and garnished with chives. Bangers and mash, United Kingdom. A classic British dish consisting of sausages served with mashed potatoes and gravy. Papas rellenas, Latin America. A dish found in various Latin American countries. Papas rellenas are stuffed potato balls filled with ingredients like meat, cheese, or vegetables, then fried until crispy. Hasselback potatoes, Sweden. Named after the Hasselbacken restaurant in Stockholm, these potatoes are sliced thinly but not all the way through. Then baked with butter and breadcrumbs, resulting in a crispy, accordion-like appearance. Kartoffelsuppe, Germany. German potato soup made with potatoes, vegetables, and sometimes sausage, all simmered in a flavorful broth. These are just a few examples of the diverse and delicious dishes that feature potatoes as a primary ingredient. If you are interested in some specific recipes, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.